Now then, people of the internet, I've been carrying on with the strip down today of the Anglia, mostly getting the last few remaining bits out of the engine bay and carrying on with the interior, getting the rest of the dash out, the steering column, the brake slave cylinder, apologies, the master cylinder, the slave cylinder for clutch, things like that, getting all that out. Once that's done, I'm gonna crack on with under the bonnet, just getting out as much as I can. So there's a lot of old riv nuts in there which we need drilling out, a lot of bits which I'm not going to need, that are going to need cutting off, grinding away. Looking at the state of the firewall, I think I'm probably going to have to put a new firewall in. It's not that it's rusty or anything like that, it's just that it's been chopped away a lot of holes in there, things which are going to need patching up really. But I'll put some footage on of that so you can see what I'm talking about. Interior wise, pretty much all out now. The all the second layer of sound deadening's out. There's dynamite in there. I was going to dynamite it anyway, but looking at the condition of that, I'll probably end up leaving that in because it's going to be an absolute nightmare to heat all that up and peel it out, and it's just not going to be worth it. The battery still needs to come out. The last few bits of the air eyes still need to come out. The compressor and the air tank. I still need to take out the brake lines to the rear. Fuel lines, they need to come out. But other than that, we're pretty much out the strip down now. Once I'm happy with that and it's fully stripped down, then I'll probably start looking at taking the glass out, things like that, and then start making have a crack at the bodywork really. One thing I'm going to do is I'm going to build a dolly to put the whole shell on. I've realised now that actually, although I've got space in my garage to work on it and do things, I really want to give it a good blast with a jet wash. Get rid of a lot of the grime under the bonnet and things like that, so that it's a bit more pleasurable to work on. So I've been out and bought some heavy duty casters off Facebook Marketplace. They were a great deal of money, so I'm going to get some nice probably 2" by 2" 3mm square stock and just make a really simple dolly to put the shell on. Probably just sit it on its pinch welds, and that way then I can just roll it in and out of my garage as I need, and get my garage ganked up really, water everywhere and things like that. But I think that'll be the next episode when I build the dolly. I'll just do an episode on that because that for me, it's probably going to take a bit of time. I'm going to be welding it all myself.